friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
About dictionary. Dictionary, it is a data type for sorting pairs of values with the format of k and value. Here we can see we will see a dictionary value, that is 1 ampersand 3 comma 2 ampersand 5 comma 3 ampersand 6. Here 1, 2 and 3 are the key values, and 3, 5, 6 are the values. Now we will see, if we enter d of 0, then it will print the value of 3. Oh sorry, if we enter d of 1, that is we need to enter d of key. Here key value we need to enter. Here we enter the value of index, but it will not be true for the dictionary values. And we use d of 1, that is key value, it will print 3, and we will use d of 3, then it will print the value present in the key 3, that is 6. Okay, now we will see the values. K dot items means it will return the pairs of the key values. K dot d dot items dictionary of 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 6, that is pairs 1, 3 or 1 pair, 2, 5 or 1 pair, 3, 6 or 1 pair. Now if you want the values of keys, then we just want to enter d dot keys, then it will enter 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 are the keys. If you want the values, d dot values, then it will enter 3, 5, 6, and we will get k dot get of k return, that is we seen here. Similar to this, we getting that one is so difficult, and we'll use pop, means k dot, we will pop the key value of 2, then value will be deleted. Here 2, 5 will be deleted. Oh sorry, d dot pop 5 has been deleted. If you enter d 1 ampersand 3 and 3 ampersand 6, if you enter clear, it will delete all the values present in it. And the k dot copy means it will copy the file. Similarly, k dot set of default of key comma value. Now we will see that k dot set default of we will enter 2, 5. Sorry, it will enter 5, that is if we enter d value means 1 ampersand 3, 3 ampersand 6, 2 ampersand 5, because here it will add the values to the set. Okay friends, by this we will complete the data types, and in the next class we will discuss about the functions. Okay, thanks.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Combat.